Hey guys, hope you're well. It's Azzy. So today I'm actually gonna chop off my hair. It's been quite a while, I should say like 3 weeks to 1 month that I want to chop off my hair. Currently my hair looks like this. I want to go till like around here, above my shoulder. That's where I want to go for. I got quite an inspiration from all the Instagrammers and stuff, and how do you call it, like blunt bob hair, I should say. It looks really fresh and clean. I just love how it looks. I think I've never had really short blunt bob, so yeah, today we're gonna do that. Some of you guys may have seen me with super long hair extensions. I just did that video, but next few minutes I'm gonna chop off all my hair, so let's do that. I'm just gonna go ahead and block my hair. I don't exactly know how to block my hair, but I'm just gonna do how I feel like it's gonna work. I'm gonna block into 3 parts: side, like right, left, and back. So I'm done with blocking. I basically just tied up my hair right and left and back. I think I'm gonna start with back. So I just got this normal regular scissors, and I'm gonna go just above where the hair tie is. So it's gonna be here. I think I'm a little nervous, but I'm just gonna go for it. Let's do this. Battery of my camera is gone, so I'm gonna film with my iPhone. This is my iPhone right now. I'm gonna just go for the back portion. I just tied it. It's so hard to cut. Okay, so I'm just done with the back portion, and I already feel scared because I didn't cut it horizontally at all. It's gonna be fail. I'm so freaking scared. Alright, moving on to this side portion. Oh, look. I don't go for all at once, just like I did right now. I just take this portion in case I forgot. If this portion is still alive, I maybe can fix it. So I just take this part aside, and I'm just going with this portion. I'm so scared right now. I don't know. I don't have a triple mirror in my bathroom, and that's a biggest problem. I really need a, like 3-sided mirrors so that I can see from all the angles at the same time, but I don't, so. I definitely recommend you to have some help if you have really long hair. Oh, and if you have a lot of hair, because I do have a lot of hair, and it's really difficult to, control it and just cut it as a straight line. I think it's almost impossible doing it by yourself. A lot of hair. Okay. I'm scared. So moving on to the left side. I'm also gonna take this little part. And I'm just cut this area first. I'm so scared. I don't even know if it's gonna turn out okay or not. I just have to keep doing that since we've done this already. So my camera is alive now. Cool. My hair currently looks like this. The rest is this area. It's very short, I guess. So I just want kind of layered effects only on the surface and only the front area of my hair to give it a little bit of like, you know, active, moving kind of effect. You know what I mean? I'm so tired right now. Like I'm tired from being nervous. Okay, I like it like this. Okay, I've cut all the area for now and I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit. Oh, I like it. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a look with mirror and I'm gonna adjust. It's so difficult to cut back area by yourself, especially if it's really short. I'm gonna use the layer scissors that I got from Japan. I don't know. Ahmed, ¿ves? Ayúdame un poco. Qué fácil. Pregúntale esa parte.
¿Dame la tijera?
Abajo de mi dedo. Ay. No corté mi mano. Y
Tengo que limpiar, tengo que cocinar, tengo que ayudarte a pelarte, comprar la comida, de pica. Ya.
いいだありがとうございますいいこれ
いいよ。
I'm tired. From the front it looks okay, but still, you know, you see that's definitely a lot of work. Like, it was my first time. It's fun to do, but next time I'm not gonna do this. I found out that blunt cut is really difficult to do. It looks simple because it's just line, but if you do that by yourself and you have kind of a lot of hair, it's so difficult. Yeah, today I just found out that it's much more difficult than I thought. By the way, I've never ever learned how to cut my hair. I mean, how to cut hair. Oh my god, look at this. I can just get over this. It's so ugly. This cut, so bad. So this is current situation. I don't think it's bad. Okay guys, I want to finish up this video right here. So this is the final look. I like it, but from the back, I don't really love it. If I really hate it, then I maybe go to the salon to fix it. But for now, it's not terrible, I guess. I like it, at least from the front. I did this style, that's what I wanted, so yeah. It's not tutorial or anything, it's just like sharing my experience of like chopping off my hair. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe my channel and give it a thumbs up. That would make me so happy. I hope I'm gonna see you guys soon in my next video. Bye guys, thank you for watching.